Hey there. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools you can use to create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. It's called ChatGPT, and in this video, we'll walk through exactly how to use it to create content like a pro. Whether you're working on a blog, social media posts, or business content, ChatGPT is here to help you level up your content game. Let's get started. Step 1. What is ChatGPT? First things first, let's get to know ChatGPT. It's an AI-powered tool by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you give it. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or even a business owner, ChatGPT is like having your own personal assistant, ready to help with writing, brainstorming ideas, and even tackling creative projects. Imagine you're trying to write a blog post, but you're stuck. With ChatGPT, you can get content ideas, full paragraphs, and even entire articles, all within minutes. It's that simple. Step 2. How to use ChatGPT for content creation. Using ChatGPT is super easy. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up at ChatGPT's website. 2. Enter your prompt. 2. For example, if you need to create a blog post about digital marketing, just type in, "Write me a 500-word blog post on the future of digital marketing." 3. Review and edit. 3. Once ChatGPT generates the content, you can refine it as needed to match your style or add your own personal touch. Step 3. Best practices for effective use to get the best results. It's important to be as specific as possible with your prompts. The more detailed your request, the better your output will be. Here are some examples. Instead of saying, "Write a blog post," try "Write a 500-word blog post on how AI is impacting e-commerce, focusing on automation and customer experience." If you need social media content, ask for something like, "Create 5 Twitter posts on tips for boosting online sales with AI." Step 4. Real-life use cases. So, why should you use ChatGPT? Here are a few practical use cases. 1. For students, writing essays, preparing notes for exams, or even generating topic ideas for projects. 2. For freelancers, writing proposals, creating blog posts, designing product descriptions, and managing content for clients. 3. For business owners, crafting website copy, generating marketing content, or responding to customer queries efficiently. There you have it. ChatGPT is a game-changing tool that can help anyone, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a business owner, create content in no time. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing how you would use ChatGPT. Don't forget to ring the bell for more amazing tips on using AI to boost your productivity.